Tap Lamu in there. We're going out into the Andaman Sea, out to what they call the FADs, fish tracking devices. They're about 10 miles out, and we're going to see if we can conjure up some mahi-mahi and some tuna. We'll let you know how we get on.
Now we're quite far into the ocean. That's Lamu here, and then you can see Travelap over there where we were staying. And now we're going to go out there to fish for mahi-mahi. Joe's got a fish. Oh, it's gone. Well, there's fish here now. There's fish here. So, back in it goes, Dad's got a fish. Dad's got something, I'm reeling mine in. What's Dad got?
Looks like a
Put that
tuna.
in. Looks like a tuna.
Looks more like a tuna.
Okay, put that away. Where's Dad got it? Ooh. First fish of the day.
Yeah, got a
Or
throw on.
second. Yeah, GoPro's on.
Right, we're at the FADs, and I've just hooked into, I don't think it's a mahi, but it might be.
Yeah, it might
It
be.
looks like a tuna because I saw the little hook by the tail. So,
Tying the drag.
Just tighten the drag up a bit.
Yep. Let's see if we can see what this is.
Nice to see it, isn't
it's
it?
on we're on the fish go under.
Yeah.
He says put the tip of the bait, tip of the rod down. Tip of the rod down.
Excuse me, Joe.
In a second, we'll keep it out there.
Even with distribution.
There's a that's a mahi.
It's a mahi.
Oh no, that's your mahi.
Yeah,
It's a mahi.
Joe, you try catch your other. Yeah, he's got mahi. There's another one there. Joe, pass, can't have
No,
it.
no, it's Todd. There's a school here.
Yeah, there's a school of mahi.
School of mahi.
Come on, make it action. Yeah, Dad's got mahi. Joe's probably gonna get one. Do you want me to get the gaff? Does he want the gaff? Mahi.
Oh no! The mahi ripped the minnow off.
The mahi ripped the minnow off.
Ow, you're bomb. Bye.
The mahi's in under the boat. Oh.
Yeah, where there's one.
I saw them.
Quick,
There was like 20.
Okay.
go.
Ask him to get another minnow.
Okay. Dad, in it goes. There's a school here. There's a school here.
Yeah, look.
You need to put something on, Joe. I'll try the knot, okay? He's got a mahi.
Hold on.
I told you the cast and reel works.
Hmm?
I told you the cast and reel works.
Well, you done well. Well done. Well done.
Yeah.
Not near there. Do you want the gaff? Do we want the gaff? Do we want the gaff?
Look, that is in the camera.
It is. It's a spiky end as well, so it can be used as a gaff. Yay!
Hey! JJ has hooked onto a fish after saying, "This feels very light."
When he's you can't reel.
Oh, that's a good
Right?
one.
When you can only reel, keep it tight.
I am.
JJ goes, "This feels very
Look,
light."
Look.
Something. Oh, there it goes. We'll have 3 different type of mahi dishes tonight. That's JJ.
Come on. Right, let me have it.
Yeah.
Right, wait a minute.
Right, Dad's got it because it seems good sized.
Can you come in, Jay?
Yep.
Everything's off. It says it's around the engine. There it goes. So let me try find it.
Stand there, just stand there, stand there. It's a good thing.
Yeah, I got it on.
Stand there, it's good.
There he is.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, there he jumps.
That's a nice one.
He's a good one.
2, 3.
Right, move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Yeah.
Well done, GG.
I didn't do much.
Well, a bit of help from me, but yeah.
Yeah, just a bit.
Mahi.
Yeah, we really struggled. It's a hot day again. There's not a lot of tide running. The tide's starting to move a bit now. We've seen some mahi, haven't we? The first fad we went to, Joe hooked one and lost one, and then who caught the next one? You caught one, did you?
I caught one.
You caught one, then Daddy caught one, and then JJ caught one. There he is. Go and have a look in the box.
There's the mahi. 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, we just, when you get onto the fad, you seem to have about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you get your Dorado. Once that, I think the Dorado just sink down. You know, but you get a chance every fad. You get your first 2 or 3 minutes. We've had 3 and lost 1 or 2. JJ lost 1 as well, so we're doing okay.
Oh, what do we have? Oh, we've got something. Oh yeah, I ain't catching that. Oh, it's a left-handed rod. Oh God, it's taking all the line. It's taking all the line. Stay on that side, Joe.
Seen it, yeah?
Moment of truth. It's a tuna.
A tuna.
That's a pretty small tuna.
Oh.
Hey.
I'm not sure it's a big bonito, I think.
Yeah, that's a bonito.
Benito.
Bonito. Yeah, it's already dead. Yeah. Tuna die immediately when they not up swimming, don't they? Yeah. It's a bonito. We've got another fish on the tuna rod. The trolling tuna rod. Which is really hard to do because it's right. Because you have to reel with your right.
Joe, do you want to reel this one in?
Joe, you want to reel this in?
Or do you, Joe?
Or do I want to reel it in?
Dad's tired. I'll take it then. I'm behind you on your left.
Yeah, come on in.
Keep reeling.
Keep pointing.
There you go, Joe's got it now. Keep winding, don't ever stop. Joe said.
Just keep winding. Keep it away from that engine. Keep winding.
Wait.
Good lad.
Wait.
Good lad.
So let's see what I'm missing.
Keep winding.
Keep winding.
Keep winding. Keep winding. Keep winding. Keep winding. There's the bird. You got the bird and there it is.
There's the bonito.
There's the bonito.
Joe's first bonito. Two bonitos. Now Joe's caught 3 and Dad's caught 3.
Hey, well done everyone.
Oh, good one. There you go.
Bonito.
Bonito.